Hey, it's the Super
Koopas.
Brothers Super
We're the Mario Brothers, and plumbing's a game. We're not like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is in trouble, you could call us on the double. We're faster than the others, you'll be hooked on the brothers. We're the
Koopas.
Brothers, and plumbing's a game. We're not like the get all the your sink is nuclear. You could call us on the We're faster than the female. Be hooked on the
Thank you, Super
Koopa.
Bros. It seems like the only thing you haven't is my
Dudes on Twitter.
for Super Call or Super
Koopas.
Bros today at or reach us on the web at smbing.com.
So today I'm gonna be calling Chris Pratt and Charlie Day real because of that ad they put out. I don't know if it's gonna actually work, but we're gonna see, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you for calling Super Mario Brothers Plumbing.
Yo,
Me,
it's Charlie
Luigi.
Day! So I decided to contact Chris Pratt real, and they said here that thank you for interest in Super Mario Bros. Plumbing, or your family and woman opportunity open business, providing white gloves, window service, really clean. Please click on the link to sign up to get exclusive updates and yada yada. So I don't know if this is actually going to take me to a full-on website. I don't know if it is. Oh shit.
Now you die.